Welcome to the introduction of Microsoft 365 Macros, Part 12 of 12 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library, narrated by Gloria. Table of Contents, Excel Macros, Part 12 of 12, Customize Ribbon, Widening Excel Option dialog box, Checkmark Developer tab, Creating a Macro. If anyone needs instructions on how to have two open windows at the same time, please see Excel 365 Video 1. Click File, click Options, click Customize Ribbon. After clicking Customize Ribbon, you will notice the Excel Options dialog box may not open wide enough for you to see all the options. Place the cursor on the right edge. Cursor will become an arrow with points at each end. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the edge to the right until you see all the options. Arrow is being shown in red for easier visibility. Arrow will be white. The dialog box is now expanded wide enough to see all the options. Under the Main Tabs list, scroll down until you see the tab for Developer. Put a check mark in the box next to the Developer and click OK. The Developer tab has now been added. We're going to create a macro that will change the headings to bold. First, enter a few headings on the sheet, click the Developer tab, and click Record Macro. Name the macro. It must be all one word, but it can have an underline. To add the shortcut key, hold down the Shift key while you tap the letter you're going to be using for the shortcut. Here, we will be using the letter Y. The shortcut key will be Control plus Shift plus Y. Select the location you want to store it in and add a brief description. Click OK. Highlight the text. Go to the Home tab. In the Font group, click Bold. Click off of the text to remove the highlighting. Return to the Developer tab and click Stop Recording. Move to a new location on the sheet and enter a few more headings. The text will be normal font. When you click off of the cell, the text will change to bold. This macro will change the formatting to the headings each time you create a heading. Fruitland Park Library. This concludes the introduction to Microsoft 365 View Tab Macros, Part 12 of 12 parts. Thank you for joining us for Microsoft 365 Excel. We hope you enjoyed the tutorials and will be joining us for other tutorials. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this tutorial, please contact gloria.terry@mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.